Got Steven's drag car in the shop today. Be doing an alignment. He's gonna be going to IFO Las Vegas tomorrow. This thing's already run sevens at sea level. So he's gonna try to run sevens here in Las Vegas at about 2,000 feet. This alignment's pretty easy with the fender removed. You can see I can get to the camber right there. Then it's just toe on the bottom. And then these traction arms right here gives you caster. But those are always usually set. So I'm gonna get this thing all set up. For Steven's drag alignment, we usually set the fronts to 8 psi, and we set the skinnies at 40 psi. The sensors are mounted. I like to turn the wheel so that these claws grip into these tiny little wear grooves on the front. Because if you try to go on the smooth part of the slick, obviously it just falls off. Got this pro tip here with the zip tie. Got one there. Yeah, one right there. 1, 2, go. Alright, can you slide that little stopper? Got it. Cool. Alright, there's your before measurements. Let's get started with this. Here I'm adjusting the camber in the rear. It's these real small arms, but they do a good job. And for the toe adjustment, if it's really far out of adjustment, I will adjust that big nut first, but then I'll use these smaller ones that I'm breaking loose here and do the fine adjustment. This was pretty close, so that's all I needed to do this time.
What's that? I normally stick a pry bar all the way up here and try to pry this upper ball joint out away from the car to do the camber, but I had enough room with the fenders off to use this tool. And that ended up being the max positive camber that I could get, so I just matched the other side to that so there's no cross camber.
Not bad. I'll just wrap that alignment up. This is looking pretty good. These caster adjustments, we just make the traction bars loose so that you can move them by hand, as I showed with the GoPro. So those are not really adjustments on this. But the camber and the toe that he specified we got, and the rear is 0. So in all of the track prep that Steven does, this is usually one of the final stops before he heads off to the racetrack. So this car is basically going to go in the trailer and go through some final track prep with fuel and just checking over bolts and stuff, and then it's heading to the track. Congratulations to Steven and the crew. It's insane how consistent they are with this car. As soon as they came off the trailer, they ran 7s, and this thing's just been running 7s like crazy with this new turbo. And that's another one done. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe.